Hello, my dear TCS NQT 2025 aspirants. I hope all of you are aware of TCS NQT 2025 notification. So, this notification for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA students. It's a great opportunity, guys. Don't miss this TCS NQT opportunity. To support your preparation, we, Talent Shine, ready to give best preparation strategies for you. So, part of this one, now I'm doing this video. In this video, you are going to learn about what is the syllabus of quant, how many questions comes in quant sections, and what are the important topics in quant, and you can aware of how to prepare for that also. Okay, so don't miss this video. You can watch until end of this video. Definitely you will get complete clarity on how to crack quant sections with highest score. Let us start the class. Yeah, so this video on how to prepare for TCS NQT foundation and advanced quant sections. So here quant, we have two sections in TCS NQT. This quantitative aptitude, you need to face in both the sections, So now look at this one. This is the quant preparation. So first of all, this is the pattern of the quant in TCS paper. So I hope all of you are aware of this foundation section and advanced section. In foundation section, one of the subsection is quantitative aptitude, that is called as numerical ability section. That is your first section of your test. So that section has 20 questions. You need to complete these 20 questions in 25 minutes. And of course, you can move internally any question to question internally in the section, but within this time limit, you are not able to start or you are not able to go to any other sections. So that means you need to stay here for 25 minutes. In this 25 minutes, you need to clear 20 questions. So, and there is no negative marking for this. There is no negative marking. And one more important problem is here. So that is speed. So you can leave 5 minutes here, 20 questions, 20 minutes, let us take target. So each question we need to complete in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, we need to read that question, we need to understand it, we need to solve it, and we need to click on the option, and then we need to go to the next one. And one more, so these questions not only in MCQs, they are also giving in fill in the blank format. So that means you need to enter answers. Okay, so careful. So that means while preparing for quant, so don't depend on options much. So you can learn through the options as well as general process. So otherwise you are not able to clear questions. So if they are giving like a fill in the blank, so if you can prepare like through the options, you are not able to solve that. So careful about that point. So now foundation section, 20 questions, 25 minutes. So next, after foundation section, there is a one more section is there, that is advanced section. In advanced section, we have advanced aptitude section that has both quant and reasoning ability. Both are there. So totally 14 comes in that one. 14 questions comes there, 25 minutes. 25 minutes. But out of these 14, we are expecting 8 to 10 questions in quantitative aptitude, remaining from reasoning. So, and this is 25 minutes shared with the reasoning. Okay, suppose if you want to clear digital or prime, definitely you should clear both the sections. Then only you are able to get the eligibility for digital or prime. So if your target is prime or digital, you must focus much on this section. It's a very important section to clear digital or prime. And next, sir, what is the important strategy for this? My dear friends, even I can teach all the topics in quant, but it doesn't give you success. Well, okay, we can teach you, that means we can show you easiest way to tackle the bits, that's it. But you need to practice a lot. You need to practice a lot, then only you are able to clear it. So here, especially in quant, lot of practice is required. Otherwise, especially these 20 questions in 25 minutes is difficult to clear all the questions. But don't worry, no need to get 20 out of 20, even 15, 16 also very good score. Even more than 12, you are able to clear that section. Okay, but our target is not ninja. Our target is top level package. Then you can try best, because getting package 9 lakhs is far from 3.36 lakhs. Correct or not? So that's why take target as prime. So if you want to crack prime, so you need to score more in this section. So for that purpose, practice is the only key for this one. And also one more important is fundamentals. You just stick on to the fundamentals, learn fundamentals, and based on the fundamentals, you can develop concepts and apply those concepts in the problem solving. And do more practice sets. Automatically, you are able to clear this section with the highest score. No doubt about it. So for that purpose, to support your preparation, so we already planned, we have given 500 topic-wise tests for all TCS NQT test cracker course students. So we already started one course here for the TCS NQT 2025 in our portal. Later I will explain that one. So there already we have given 500 plus topic wise tests. So after completion of every topic, you can start with the test number 1. Suppose today you prepared profit and loss. After completion of profit and loss, you can take test number 1 there. So only in profit and loss, we gave 10 plus tests, 10 plus topic wise tests. Take first test and then so check your standard of profit and loss and drawbacks and verify once again, prepare once again and rectify the drawbacks. Take second test and again third test. You can repeat like that. So do more practice there. So definitely further practice. Our Talent Shine India portal helps you a lot, guys. Okay. So next, yeah. Look at the syllabus, guys. Look at the syllabus. We planned total quantitative aptitude training for 40 hours. 40 hours. And we divided total quantitative aptitude for quantitative aptitude for 5 sections. For 5 sections. First one is number system. Second one is arithmetic. Third one is modern math. And fourth one is pure math. Fifth one is geometry part. So look at the first one, number system. Look at the first one, number system here. In number system, so here mainly you need to focus on the basic fundamentals. So in fundamentals, especially basics are fundamentals. So you must prepare divisibility rule. Divisibility rules. So maybe some purpose, your first question is on divisibility rule only. So be thorough with the divisibility rules. So maybe that may be one question. That is your first question. So especially focus on the divisibility rules. Learn and also learn natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers. Learn those concepts. Be thorough with these fundas. At least one question we can expect from this one. Next, come to the advanced number system. In advanced number system, so you must be thorough with mainly 4 or 5 topics. So that is first one is trailing zeros concept. Trailing zeros concept, that is in a product what how many zeros at the end of the result like that. And also units place like 77 power 88. What is the units place? You can say directly 1. That is the answer. You need to say like that. So units place. Even next factors concepts. How many numbers divides particular number? How many prime numbers divides that one? So what is the sum of the factors? Next, you need to focus on the remainders concept, successive division. So these are the topics in advanced number system. Expecting 1 or 2 questions from this advanced number system. So next, LCM and HCF. It's the most important topic in number system part. LCM and HCF do more applications. Especially these applications are asking in advanced numbers, advanced part, advanced section. So be careful. Normally in foundation section also they are asking. So whether your first question should be either divisibility rule or question from LCM and HCF only. Okay, even in advanced section also they are asking application of LCM and HCF. Be thorough with this concept. So this one gives you at least 1 or 2 questions. So next is simplifications. Yeah, this is also one of the important, guys. 1 or 2 questions we can expect from simplification section. Simplification sections here they are asking on like comparison of fractions, like ascending order, descending order, greatest fraction, like that. Or one more question is they're asking on board mass rule. So V board mass, I hope you heard that name. V board mass. So mainly you need to focus on V board mass rule. So mainly focusing on the simplification part. So be practice this one and comparison of fractions, especially focus on these two. So remaining also you can learn converting recurring decimals into fractions. Those also helpful to you. Mainly they are focusing on the board mass and comparison of fractions here. So this is the topics in these are the topics in number system here. So overall in number system we can expect 4 to 5 questions out of 30 plus questions. 4 to 5 questions we can expect from number system. I hope you got the idea regarding the complete number system topics. What are the topics you need to prepare? Once again, I'll repeat. In basic fundamentals, you must be concentrating on divisibility rules. In advanced number system, you need to concentrate on trailing zeros concept, units place, factors concept, next remainders concept, successive division. LCM and SO, it's very important. You must be thorough with every concept. Next is simplification and fractions. You need to concentrate on the comparison of fractions. Next, board mass rule. That's it. That's it. Maximum you need to thorough with those topics. Careful about that. So next one. Yeah, look at the next part. Next part is arithmetic. It is very, very important. Most scoring. Maximum number of questions you need to face from these topics only. Okay, arithmetic topic. So in this arithmetic topic, of course, these three topics are very, very important. Percentages, profit, loss and discount, simple interest and compound interest. Even in simple interest and compound interest, focus on installments. Installments. Focus on installments. That is also one of the important. Even percentage, especially percentage concepts are very, very important. If you are thorough with this concept, these two are very easy. These two are easy to clear these questions from these two topics. So be thorough with the percentage concepts. So in these particular concepts only we can expect 3 to 4 questions. Even these concepts are helpful to you in data interpretation also. So next, come to the next remaining topic, ratio proportion, partnerships, averages, ages. Here averages, at least 2 questions we can expect because averages related to the mean in statistics. So they are giving like a mean also. So averages, 2 questions we can expect. So here from the ratios, partnerships, we can expect 1 or 2 questions. 1 to 2 questions we can expect. But ages definitely 1 question. Every paper has ages question. Every paper has ages question. But if you are okay with the ratios and averages, ages is nothing. Yes or no? So 1 question comes from ages only. So next, come to the time and work, pipes and cistern. So these two are one set. Especially focus on pipes and cistern here. Pipes and cistern, especially focus on that one. So, but you must be thorough with the time and work, all the concepts, especially focus on efficiency related. So, and also chain rule concepts, chain rule and pipes and cistern. Careful about that. So, next, time and distance. In time and distance, mainly you can focus on the trains problems, relative speed concept. So next, boats and streams. Mainly you can focus on that areas. So be careful. We already planned perfect schedule for all these things. We are covering all the concepts with the previous TCS questions in our TCS NQT 2025 test tracker course. So if you want, you can check our curriculum there in the talentationindia.com website. Okay, so from this complete arithmetic, we can expect 10 to 12 questions minimum. 10 to 12 questions minimum from these topics. 10 to 12 questions minimum. Okay, so these are the important topics here. So next one, move on to the next third part, that is the modern math. In modern math, so especially permutations and combinations probability, permutations and combinations probability. This is one of the set. So this is one of the set here. Okay. In permutations and combinations probability, especially permutations, don't stick on to the basic fundas. They are asking moderate to tough questions only. Moderate level minimum questions. So careful, you must be thorough with all the concepts. Otherwise, you are not able to clear these questions. You require a lot of practice on that one. So next, come to the probability. In probability, you must be concentrate on the independent events, mutual exclusive events. So next, conditional probability. At least you must learn up to the Bayes theorem. So that's very important to clear the probability questions. But practice is only the key to get the success in this particular area. You can focus little bit CAT level questions, not high level, moderate level in CAT. So CAT level questions. So at least 2 to 3 questions we can expect from this one. 2 to 3 questions we can expect, especially in advanced topic. Next, statistics. Of course, in 2022 TCS NQT, they ask 5 to 6 questions from only statistics. But we can't predict. But based on the last 2 years, even 2025 campus placements, so from the statistics, maximum they are asking 1 to 2 questions only. So we can expect only 1 to 2 questions from this statistics here. In statistics, you need to focus on mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, quartile deviation, interquartile deviation. So these are the important topics for you and easy to clear. So once you have the practice on the concepts, especially here they are asking model like they can give you data and related standard deviation. They can change certain things in the data and what is the change in the standard deviation. You need to answer that one. So careful about that kind of questions. So expecting that kind of question in statistics, careful about it. So next, progression, of course, rarely they are asking, but if you have time, you can prepare, otherwise you can leave it. So mainly you can focus on AP, arithmetical progression, geometrical progression, harmonic and AGP, that's it. Next, data interpretation is the most important here, most important. So you need to face at least 1 or 2 sets. So 1 or 2 sets here. So each set has 3 questions, 3 questions minimum. So but most of the questions, they are not giving only single diagram data like only one table or one pie diagram. They are not giving like that. They are giving data in 2 or 3. You need to compare all the 3. Suppose they can give you data in 3 pie diagrams or one table or 2 pie diagrams. So you need to compare. Practice is very important. So we scheduled 2 hours class in our course. So you can watch that. Automatically you are able to clear data interpretation. Comparison of data is very important. Of course, solving is not a matter. Even calculation is also not a matter there because we have virtual calculator. We can use that. And if you are good in percentages, solving questions are not matter. But understanding data is very important. Be careful. 1 or 2 sets, definitely at least one set comes in every paper. Careful about data interpretation. But mainly time taking, careful about that. So here in modern maths, we can expect 5 to 6 questions. 5 to 6 questions we can expect from modern maths, even more than that also because of data interpretation. Okay, right here. So next, come to the pure maths. Yeah, in pure maths, most important topics are quadratic equations, inequalities, search indices, logarithms, functions. These are very important. So quadratic equations, they're asking like based on the roots. So alpha and beta are the roots, they can add +2 like that. What is the new quadratic equation like that? Or they can link quadratic equation with the inequalities, like sum 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Then what is the range of x? You need to find out that. So they're asking questions like that. Even polynomials, that is a continuation of quadratic equations, you need to focus. And simple equations too. Sometimes they are asking questions on that one, especially. So they can give you 2 equations like a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. You need to compare the coefficients of x, y, so, and constants, and you need to say. So what are the suppose those equations are having no solution, or infinite solutions, or unique solution. You need to identify based on the coefficients, so you need to check it. So next, come to the search indices. Search indices, yeah, it's a simple one, but they are giving two good questions. Even they are asking questions like square root of something like square root of 42 plus square root of 42 plus and so on. These are the infinity series. So they are asking questions like that. Okay, careful. So look at the shortcuts, and indices also they are asking good questions. So you can follow our classes. That's enough for that. And logarithms. So logarithms, it's easy basic questions they're asking, very easy. So careful. And functions they're asking mainly in f of some 10 times of x, then f of x is 1 by x, then what is the value of f of x something. So what is the result? They're asking that kind of functions. Like their questions are like this. Something like they can give you function f of x is equal to 1 by something like 1 by plus x. They can ask f of f of f of ex of what is the value when x is equal to something like that. Okay, so you need to answer that. And even sometimes they are asking on the relations also, but I'm not mentioning here, but relations. So one function, bijection, even onto function. So you need to focus on that points also. So next is sets. Yeah, we can't expect in every paper, but they may ask sets also. Sets. Even direct questions they are asking like A is the set like 1, 3, 4, and B is the set like 3, 4, 5. So what is A minus B, or A in section B, something like that. They are asking directly also. Otherwise, they can give you in terms of questions like one survey has conducted. So here, these many people are reading this one, only one newspaper. These many people reading two newspapers, like that. They can give you statements like that. They're asking questions on this one. Sets are also good, important topic, but especially mainly focusing on the star parts. So in pure maths, we are expecting around 4 to 5 questions, or even sometimes we got 8 questions, especially in advanced section. So careful about this point, this question. Okay, so right here, next one. Move on to the next one. So next one, geometry. So geometry, it's a more time taking here. It's a more time taking. Actually, plane geometry I gave only 2 hours. It is not sufficient. Even plane geometry I can teach in 15 hours. It takes minimum 15 hours. But actually, you need to thorough with the basic concepts. That's it. So plane geometry, you need to focus on the basic concepts of triangles, like lines, angles, triangles. In triangles, congruent triangles, similar triangles. You need to concentrate on the quadrilaterals and that relations. Next, circles and tangent secant relations, curd and length of the arc relations. You need to thorough with all those things, especially polygons, number of diagonals, and area of the polygon. You need to check all those data in plane geometry. And especially very important, you must focus on the mensuration part. This is very important here. Actually, this is the part of arithmetic only, but here I mentioned in geometry because it's a part of geometry also. So mensuration is nothing but a measurement of areas and volumes. So there you need to focus on, especially focus on three-dimensional figures like cylinder, cone, pyramid, prism, sphere, cuboid, all those stuff you need to prepare. So you need to focus on the areas, volumes, all those things. It's very important. So if you want to prepare only one topic out of these three, so please go to this one, mensuration, areas and volumes questions especially. So next, coordinate geometry, it's very easy. They are mainly focusing on something like area of triangle, area of quadrilateral. They can give you the coordinates. Coordinates. You need to form one triangle with the coordinates, and you need to find out the area. So that's it. So that is the regarding the geometry. We can expect three questions, 3 to 4 questions, especially in mensuration. We can expect two questions minimum, 2 questions minimum in mensuration. So focus on that part. Okay, right. Yeah, guys. So I hope you understood completely. what exactly syllabus is, what you need to prepare. Please go through that video. If you are not getting that, you can note down all the points what I have told to you now. So you can note down all the points and you can prepare like that. Definitely maximum paper like that only. Okay. So for your, to give the support to your preparation, Talent Shine started one course, that is TCS NQT 2025 Test Cracker course. Test Cracker course. This one starts today itself, that is 26th February 2025 onwards. So we already designed perfect curriculum for you. Daily 4.5 hours classes, early morning 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 4 p.m. classes. Daily 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, 4.5 hours classes. If it requires any extra classes, we can take extra classes also. We design complete curriculum. If you want to see that curriculum, you can go to the talentshineindia.com and there their schedule is there. You can click on that, so you'll get the complete schedule. You can check it. And suppose if you can miss any classes, already you aware of particular concept, no need to attend the class, but you can go to the practice. So here, especially in our course, the main highlights are this one. So please check this one. We design 100 plus hours of live online classes. 100 plus hours of live online classes. If you miss any class, no worries. So those live classes can be recorded and those are available to you for next 6 months. Next 6 months. So no worries. If you miss any class, don't worry about it. So those are available to you for the next 6 months. So next, so this practice, here I mentioned 200 only, but already we have uploaded 500 plus practice tests, topic wise practice. Suppose today I completed simple interest, compound interest. Then I want to start practicing on tests. So we gave 10 to 15 tests on that simple interest and compound interest. So I would like to take the first test. I can check my score and I can check the time frame. So then I can identify my drawbacks and then I would like to rectify it and then I can go for the second test. You can take as many tests as possible to you topic wise. So for your, so we gave 500 tests for your requirement base. Like if you are able to solve 3, no problem, or 4, no problem. So but we gave huge number of tests. You can utilize the tests definitely. So if you want to crack even competitive exams like SSC, those tests are sufficient for you. So careful about that. So these 500 tests are very important, and this helps to you to crack TCS NQT with the highest score. Definitely. Yeah, next 500 full length mock tests. Sorry, 5 full length mock tests. 5 full length mock tests means not only providing the full length mock test here. So we are giving after completion of every mock test, we are giving live explanation. Live explanation. So that's a very important point, because today I took the test. So definitely I'll get the doubts. So where I can see the solutions and all those stuff. So that's the reason me and my team. So definitely, so we can explain all the questions in live. So there you can ask me doubts. There you can ask me doubts. So that live classes, live explanations helps you a lot. 5 tests are enough, because no need to write number of mocks. So because already you have completed topic wise preparation. Even for your understanding purpose, we give subsection, section wise also. So numbers is numerical ability, section wise test. Reasoning ability, section wise mock test. Verbal ability, section wise mock test. Advanced quant and reasoning ability, advanced aptitude, section wise test. Advanced coding, section wise test. So we are giving that one also. Okay. Send those doubt clarification sections. Of course, every section is live. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, if you want, we are ready to conduct extra classes. No problem for that. So next, even this course is also useful for other upcoming IT placements drive. So definitely it helps you, because we are giving 6 months access to you. So you can utilize this course for remaining IT placements drives. So how to enroll this one, sir? It's simple. You can go to the talentshineindia.com website. So talentshineindia.com website. So, and you can check first our curriculum and uploaded content. You can check that one and then go to the payment page. Just its course fee is only 499 rupees. So definitely definitely it supports to you to crack TCS with the highest package. Okay, so guys, so TCS NQT 2025 test cracker course definitely helps to you to crack highest package. So don't miss this course, and especially don't miss TCS NQT 2025. So we already started. So on 26th February 2025, and even we have mobile app also. Mobile app also. So if you don't have laptop, no worries. You can download our Talent Chain app from the mobile, and you can watch all the classes there in the mobile itself. Even you can check our test window. It is almost similar to the TCS. So we designed like that. So definitely you can practice our topic wise test, mock test, and learn from our classes, live classes. Definitely it is sufficient to clear TCS NQT 2025 course. Don't miss the chance to enter into TCS. So we wish you good luck for your TCS NQT preparation. TCS NQT preparation. So once again, I would like to say one more. So this video has given a complete idea regarding the quant parts. So quant syllabus, topics, and everything. So once again, if you want, you can watch and note down all the topics. You can prepare like that. Definitely, you can score more in quant sections, and even our course helps you to crack highest packages. No doubt about it. So we wish you all the best for your TCS NQT 2025. So Venu sir, signing off for this session. Meet you in the next session. Thank you very much.